Money magnet helping you make money online. Today, we got an exciting way to make up to $3,500 a month doing affiliate marketing with big brands. Make sure to smash that like button and let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to be focusing on Amazon affiliates, Urban Outfitters Clothing, HelloFresh and Travel.com. For Amazon affiliates, simply go to the Amazon Associates sign-up page and click on Join Now for free. Fill out the details and set up your payment info. Amazon will review and confirm your account and you are ready to go. Amazon's affiliate program is one of the easiest programs to use in terms of placing the links in your website. One way to get traffic and sales in Amazon affiliate program is by creating a separate ad campaign specifically targeting people interested in purchasing certain items. For example, you could set up a campaign for best-selling books, another for toys and yet another for home decor. This approach will allow you to reach more customers who might be looking for those specific types of merchandise, which means they'll potentially buy more of it once they see your ad. Let's go to the next, HelloFresh affiliate program. The program is beginner-friendly. It provides clear guidelines and support teams to help with registration. To make the promotion better, we suggest highlighting specific meal kits with attractive images. Make sure to also use the current customer reviews to boost credibility on your affiliate promotions. To get the most out of the affiliate program, focus on advertising special offers and incentives from the company. If you are into food affiliate programs like HelloFresh, make sure to also go and register for Freshly and Blue Apron. Okay, we come to Urban Outfitters, which is affiliated through Rakuten. You know what, so are a lot of other popular brands. Rakuten advertising does not require you to have a website, although they strongly recommend you do. You can register with Rakuten and immediate get access to thousands of top brands out there. This information should help you jumpstart with affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you know additional affiliate marketing companies that have helped you achieve success. Make sure to subscribe for more money-making videos. See you on the next video.